Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode on The Edge with Enza. It's 31st of May 2023. It's very hot and humid here in Dubai, but regardless of that, we have a high influx of visitors from all over the world. Dubai hotels are offering currently special holiday packages during the 3 months of summer due to hot weather, so they want to attract tourists to grow economy. As well, Dubai municipality is doing everything they can to boost economic growth in the city. So they coordinated along with the shopping malls sales that last for a couple of days each month. Most of us are enjoying time indoors, but you can go on a shopping spree as well, and you will not be sorry because Dubai sales are real. They are not fake or gimmicks or rip-offs. It's super exciting to be in the city during this time of the year as well. But my topic today will be about government's overregulation of growth companies and how that impacts their growth and path to profitability. In this case, I'm going to talk about N26, a Berlin-based bank. N26 is a digital bank from Germany, and I will give, for those of you who have not heard about the bank or don't know about the business, some short intro about it. N26 won awards in 5 countries in 2021 because Forbes magazine was doing a study that year, and they ranked bank number 1 in the world according to customer satisfaction. Over 500 banks were on the list of the best banks in the world, and T6 was ranked number 1 bank in the world according to customer satisfaction. According to market research and consumer data analysis firm Statista, Forbes magazine conducted study of 43,000 customers in 28 countries. And the study ranked banks according to general customer satisfaction, as well whether customers would recommend their banks to their family and friends. Other aspects were taken into the account, such as trust, terms and conditions, customer service, financial advice, and digital services offered by their banks. There were banks also from UAE, from Singapore, from Saudi Arabia, New Zealand, that were participating for the first time in this Forbes magazine study. N26 was voted number 1 in 2021 Forbes list of the world's best banks. N26 is ranked as number 1 bank in Austria and Italy, and it's second best bank in France and fourth best bank in Spain. 26 has 8 million customers across 24 countries according to their financial results. But let's return to the topic, how this German regulator BaFin affected with overregulation banks' profitability and what it imposed on them and restrictions, and how it restricted the growth of the company. The company was fined by German regulator BaFin in April 2021. The amount of fine was 4.25 million euros, and the bank settled the amount fully in July 2021. BaFin fined N26 for the failure to install effective money laundering controls. They did take detailed measures to meet high standards to prevent financial crime. But according to Buffin, that was not enough, so they continued restricting the growth of the company. So Buffin capped customer acquisition numbers to 50,000 customers a month compared to 170,000 customers previously. If the number of customers stayed steady, N26 could have missed over 2 million customers per year. So besides all of this, N26 incurred losses. The net losses rose to 172 million in 2021, and its administrative costs grew 47% to 167.7 million euros due to increased spending on regulatory compliance, according to the bank's filings. N26 was valued at 3.5 billion US dollars, according to private investors in 2021. But in order to cut its cost, N26 also cut its staff in April this year, and they had to lay off 4% of its staff because of overwhelming compliance costs that they have shouldered over the course of 18 months. N26 had to also raise capital in October 2021, and some of the investors were Third Point, Dragoneer Investment Group, and Quatu. They were given 25% preferred return per year on the investment. N26 withdrew also from the US market in 2029, precisely in November 2021, because of competitiveness on the US market, and I'm assuming because they were hit with fines, as well incurring administrative costs due to regulation compliance. They had to then exit the US market. They also withdrew from the UK market in 2020, but they currently do not need to raise more capital in order to run the company. N26 is expecting to be profitable in the second half of 2024. I'm hoping that the company will turn around, and I'm sure that the board of the directors is focusing on the growth of the company and to get rid of Buffin's oversight after they implemented necessary measures to prevent financial crime. I was listening 2 weeks ago, Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan, and he was also complaining about banks overregulation, where banks are having more compliance officers than loan officers. I would like you to comment, like, and write your opinion below related to the government's overregulation of growth companies. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of the day.